This way, boss.
Okay.
You can hop in, boss.
Really helpful if I could just make one phone call. Let him know that I'm not going to be there for concrete.
You get your phone,
I mean,
you can do your phone calls.
you know, I just need to let somebody know.
You're going to get your phone calls, okay?
He had this on his waistband loaded.
Yeah, it was on his right hip, right?
Yep.
And he didn't want to give you his hands. It looked like
Yeah, he was fighting us.
the fleeing driver, he ended up having a gun on his hip. So he's committing a felony while armed, and he'll be going down to the branch jail tonight. Everybody else is going home safe.
I really liked watching this one because the fact that they were allowed, or they were able, to let the chopper take over, then they can stop any sort of dangerous pursuit, but they're waiting for him. So they must have known where they thought he was going to turn in.
Absolutely, because they were right there as soon as they came out. Again, with the helicopter and all the technology that's out now, infrared was able to track him and follow him right there to the location, get him in cuffs, take it away. Nobody else hurt.
Yeah. All right, let's go to Beach Grove. That is where Officer Kelsey Gambala is responding to a report of a disturbance in a parking lot in an apartment complex.
We are arriving on scene on what was reported as a physical altercation between a male and a female. So let's see if we can find them. There's a male walking. He was sitting out here earlier, so let's talk to him. He was sitting out here earlier, so we're gonna hop out and talk to him. Go away the window. We just went through the window.
The reason why I see my finger is I gotta check the time. I got 5 minutes before
Hey, come here. Come here. Okay, I hear you. Do you live here? Do you live here?
my name's Dennis. I got close.
Okay. What apartment do you live in? What apartment do you live in?
No, I'm with Bonnie Silver.
Okay. Okay. You were the one sitting outside earlier, weren't you? You were the one sitting out here earlier, weren't you?
Yeah, I was getting killed.
Okay. Did you see a man and a woman getting into a fight at all?
No, me, but.
Were you out here with a woman?
Huh?
Were you out here with a woman?
No, she was at the station. She was getting tickets. She overstretched the tickets. I was waiting on her.
Okay. Someone called in and said a man and a woman were fighting out here in the parking lot.
We wasn't fighting. It wasn't us. I promise. You guys said I was at the station with her the whole time. I just walked over here waiting on her. She went back to get another.
Okay. Were you guys having an argument or anything?
Anyway,
No? Where's she at right now?
she's coming. She's right there in the car.
Okay. Why are you coming in through the window?
No, I'll talk. We ain't gonna do that.
Why?
All right, as you can see, our video there breaking up. This happens sometimes on live television. Can we go to Richland County to get an update from National Deputy Perez?